Have you ever seen a video in A+ content and wondered, how do I get that? Well, my name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And bad news, it costs a lot of money to do this. So this is a listing that has a video. You can see it right there. And dogs sell for sure, right? Great video. This is a very specific section. You notice it says from the manufacturer, and you can see all this great A+ content here. This is a premium A+ content version. Now, here's the bad news. You have to go through the category manager, and they will give you a quote. Well, we asked for a quote with one of our clients, and they told them $500,000. That's right, $500,000. So I don't think many of us are going to be signing up for this one. Probably only those big box retail brands, unfortunately. You can, however, get your video right there, smack dab in your secondary photos, and that's where the money and action is for the majority of us. Don't forget, get your video ad also built. Video ads are crushing it right now on Amazon. So short video, just to let you know, can't get videos in A+ content without having direct contact and a giant checkbook.